Good afternoon and welcome to another blog. Today I will be reviewing elegant foot mats for Altroz. I have procured this mat from Amazon since my dealer has provided some foot mats, but practically they are half mats. So I need some good quality mats in order to protect my carpet of my car. So I have procured these mats from Amazon. Before unboxing this particular mat, let me show you the foot mats now I am having in my car. These are the foot mats that have been given by the dealer free of cost. Practically these are actually half mats. Your carpets remain totally exposed. It doesn't cover the foot wells either. So that's why I have procured the foot mat. So before installing the foot mat, let me unbox it. Then I will clean the entire carpet area with my vacuum cleaner. And finally I will install my carpets in the car. So let's now unbox the foot mat. Now I am unboxing this foot mat. This is actually a branded foot mat. And as I told you, I have procured this from Amazon, and it's around the price is around 2,138 rupees. 2,138 rupees. Elegant is a very reputed company. They manufacture foot mats, then your seat covers also. Though I have installed Autofoam seat covers in this particular car, but the foot mat I have procured from Elegant. And as you can see, it is written that its color is black. They have other colors also, but I have procured the black one, and this is specially for the Altroz, so it is already mentioned over here. So once I install it, I will show you how the carpet looks like. Clean the carpet area first, so that all the remaining loose darts is removed with the help of a vacuum cleaner. Lot of persons go for lamination, but I have never gone for lamination because I feel carpet looks much better than the lamination. And in driver area there is a special backing for the foot, so anti-slippery backing has been provided in this area, and this is the driver area. So let me install it. The mats are very light and it can be handled easily, and as you can see, it covers the entire area, and it is specially prepared for Altroz only, and it covers the entire area as if it looks like a carpet. So let me do it in all the foot wells like this. Now the passenger area, remove all the loose debris. Now the passenger area on the right, on the driver's side. So this is the passenger area mat, and let me install it. Next I will install the hump area. So give that small one. Finally the hump area. This is the carpet mat for the hump area. So let me install it. It has got a special velcro backing. So the hump area has been completed. It is absolutely fittings with your car. I have completed the driver's area. Now let me complete the passenger side. Now let me clean the passenger side area, and I am cleaning it. And once it's cleaned, I will install the carpet of this side also. Now installing this side also. So both the sides, passenger sides have been completed. The passenger side, the middle hump, and the driver side area. So it's clean. Now let me install it. The passenger area has been cleaned also, and let me install the carpet in the passenger area. Now I am installing the passenger side mat. It is absolutely snug fit. In fact, it looks like another set of carpet. So finally I have finished installing the foot mats in all the foot mats. And the advantage of another advantage thanks to Tata Ultros, as the gates can be open 90°. So it's an advantage doing this type of jobs. So foot mats at the back from this side, the passenger side. So that's it for today. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like you. Thank you very much, and I will again tell my friends and those who have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.